For this DIY glitter glass, we're going to be doing a peekaboo glass. So what we're going to need, obviously need some wine glasses. Now these are a small wine glass. I've got 2 of them, I'm going to do a pair. And I'm going to be using, for the peekaboo, inside the wine glass, well not so inside, but so you can see it inside, it's just going to be outside before we put the glitter on top. We're going to be painting some little love hearts. Now I've got these paint pens from Artistro. They come in a pack, all multicolours. I'm missing the white at the moment because I was using that the other day. And the 2 that I've taken out are this purple and pink. I'm going to do a mix of purple and pink hearts on the wine glass itself. But you can see they come in a multi-pack. You can get these in packs of black and white as well, but they're really good. You just need to heat seal them, and I'll explain that once I've painted the hearts on. So then I'm going to need some masking tape to tape up around the rim and around the stem so that we don't get too close to the top, because nobody wants glitter in their mouth while they're drinking their wine. Going to need some Mod Podge in order to stick on the glitter and a paintbrush to do so. And then I've got my glitter here. Now this is a mix of 2 glitters. It's left over from a previous DIY that I've done, the turquoise and pink glasses. So then this is turquoise and pink glitter. You can see a mix. It's beautiful. Beautiful mix. You can see the turquoise coming through on the bottom there. Now that'll shine lovely, and I've just want to make sure I mix it up as I shake it over the glasses. So that is Hemway glitter, which is fabulous glitter. I've got a red one here to show you the packet. So Hemway glitter, I love these glitters, they're so great. And what's really good, I'm just using up my old glitters at the moment, but they've also got some biodegradable glitter which I'm going to restock once I've used up all these old ones. And then that's it. Yeah, that's everything. So I will now get on with painting the hearts on the glasses. Right, so the first step is to mask up the rims and the stems. Now in order to do so, I just grab whatever masking tape I've got. I'd like to have it about 1 inch, I guess, thickness. I've got a couple that are a bit more, bit less actually than this, but roughly I'll give or take. And what I like to do is I'll cut off small pieces of the masking tape like this. There we go. And I'll speed up the video in a bit as I get on, because it's probably a bit boring seeing every single one. And then using the rim as a guide, I place them around the rim and I just work my way around, and that gives you a relatively good straight line around the rim. So I will speed up the video as I do both of these glasses, and then we'll come back together as I start to do the peekaboo marks with the paint pen, so doing the hearts on this one. So now I've taped off around the rim. What we need to do now is around the stem. So you cut off a slightly longer bit of your masking tape and place that on your stem, and you literally just wrap it around like that. So that's one down. Just get the other one done on the stem and wrap it around just until they meet up, and that's that done. So again, now these 2 are ready to be painted with the hearts. Okay, so I've got my pens, and like I said, I'm going to do alternating pink and purple hearts on the bowl of the glass. Now these pens you've got to shake with the cap on, both of them, like so, and then using a scrap little bit of paper like I've got here. Then you press down the nib onto the bit of paper until the paint starts to flow. May take a little while, but I use these quite regularly, so that's why it's come out real quick. And then I'm just going to paint on hearts, that paint's not coming out very well. Let's give it another go until it's coming out properly. Let's prime that nib properly. Let's go over that heart. I might need to go over that one again once it's dried. I'll come back to that one. Then just put random hearts over your glass. Like so. Just keep on it all over, and then I'm going to do the same with the purple in a minute. I'll speed up this video as I paint the hearts on the glass. Now the glasses, they were put in the oven for 180 degrees Celsius, and they're sitting there for an hour, and then I turn the oven off and leave the glasses to cool inside. And then these hearts are now set on the glasses, ready to be glittered. So in order to do that, I use this Mod Podge, and this is dishwasher safe Mod Podge. So once these are finished and set, these glasses can go in the dishwasher, top rack only, just to be safe. And using a paintbrush, I put a thin layer of this Mod Podge on the glass between the rim masking tape and the stem masking tape, so all over us to cover all the hearts. And then I sprinkle over the glitter. Then I leave that to dry, and then I'll probably do another 2 or 3 coats depending on how opaque the glitter is when you look through. So I just sort of play that by ear as and when I'm making them. So I'll definitely do 1 coat, and then I'll definitely do another one, and whether I do a 3rd one, we'll wait and see what they look like. So the glitter I'm using, like I said earlier, is this mix of the pink and turquoise. There we go, beautiful, beautiful sparkly paint. So I'm going to speed up the video as I put the Mod Podge on and I sprinkle over the glitter. I'm using a bit of paper here to catch the glitter that doesn't stick onto the glass, so then I can put them back into the pot and use for the next time round. So not wasting anything at all. So I'll speed up the video whilst I do that. Glue is now dried on this first coat of the glitter, and as you can see, I like that, absolutely beautiful. But you can see through, you can see my hand through it, it's quite translucent still. So we're going to put another layer of the glitter on these glasses, and to do that I put this time the glue into a little pot, because otherwise as you dip your brush back in there you'll transfer the glitter into the Mod Podge. That's not a good idea. So I'll get on with that. I'll speed up the video as I do those. These glasses have now had 2 coats, and you see beautiful shine on those, and you can see inside, see the hearts, so the peekaboo there, fantastic, but it's still a little bit translucent for my liking. When you look through you can see a few spaces. So I am actually going to do a 3rd coat of that glitter And again, exactly the same, put some of the dishwasher Mod Podge, very thin layer as possible. It tends to soak it up, so after the first coat the layers are a little bit thicker, but just keep them as thin as possible. Sprinkle over your glitter, and then we'll leave them to dry, and then we'll come back for the sealing coat of the Mod Podge. These glasses have now had 3 coats of glitter and they're looking really, really sparkly, looking pretty amazing. And in there you can see the hearts. I can catch the light properly. It's a little bit shadowy. So they are now all done. I'm happy with the layer of glitter we've got on these two. So what I need to do now is just seal the top glitter so it doesn't keep flaking off. So I do that with another coat of the Mod Podge. And once that's done, I take off the masking tape around the rim and around the stem, and then I pop these into the oven, and I'll explain the oven bit in a minute. I'll put that up on the screen as they're in there, and then they'll be done and ready to go in the dishwasher. They can go in the top rack as any other glasses. You don't have to put them in the oven. You can leave them to dry at room temperature for 30 days, whichever one is up to you. So I'll put the instructions for the oven in a little while. So I'll get on with doing the top coat of the Mod Podge. So here are the glasses in the oven. They're going in at about 77 degrees Celsius. They're going in for an hour, and once that time's up, I'll turn the oven off and leave them to cool in there before I take them out. And there you go, there's the glasses all finished, all sparkly, fantastic, and ready to go in the dishwasher, top rack, for whenever you've used them and they need washing. And thanks you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.